Hello, my young scientists and coders. Welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. Today, we are celebrating National Science Day. This special day is celebrated in the honor of the great Indian scientist C.V. Raman. But do you know why? Because on February 28, 1928, he discovered something amazing about light, a discovery called the Raman Effect. C.V. Raman was born in the year 1888. He was extremely curious from childhood. He loved asking questions like, why is the sky blue? Why does light change in water? One day, while observing sunlight over the sea, he became curious about how light behaves. After many experiments, he discovered that when the light passes through a transparent material like water or glass, a small part of it changes direction and even slightly changes color. This discovery is called the Raman Effect. Because of this, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics. He became the first Indian scientist to win this award in science. All because he was curious about light. Now today, we are going to understand light using coding. We are going to create a rainbow circle using Python turtle. Why rainbow? Because white light is actually made up of many colors. So first, we will import Turtle, our drawing robot. So we are using a Python interpreter that is a free compiler. Okay, so I will mention the links of these free Python compilers for practicing Turtle Python, and you can just go through the links and you can type the code here. So you don't need to install anything here. Okay, so it will be easier for kids to start practicing coding. Okay, so let's get started. So let's remove that. So we have to import Turtle. Turtle is a library in Python and we can draw using this. Okay, now I'm going to create a small list of colors. Okay, so we can create a list of different colors. So let's say red, orange. So I will share the script of this code so you can try this project. Okay, and you can even try your own ideas. I will give you some more ideas as well. And let's try blue. And what else is there? Indigo. And what is left is violet. Okay, so we have the 7 colors in the list. Now we will write pen is equals to turtle dot turtle. Okay, what is this one? We are creating a pen object of this turtle. Okay, now we can use pen dot width. Okay, so this object will have different attributes. Okay, this is the width of the pen. Then we will also mention the speed of the pen. Okay, so those of you are new to coding or new to Python, don't worry, you can just copy paste this code and try it, and later you can practice it. Okay, so this is a for loop. Now we are going to use a for loop. Okay, this is a very simple code. Just write pen dot color and color and pen dot circle 100. Okay, so inside the for loop, it gets executed as many number of times we are written. Okay, so for every color in this colors, it will get executed and it will draw a circle of the radius 100. Okay, so let's try if this works. I will click on the play button. Okay, there is a sorry, there is an indentation error in the line 10. So when you are typing the code, you have to make sure you are writing in the proper indentation. Indentation means even if there is a small mismatch in the lines, you will get an error. The indentation is perfect. Now let's try to run this. Okay, so let's see, click the play button and here you go. You can see it is creating the different color circles and according to what we have defined here. Okay, so this last one is violet. Okay, you can play it again. Look at this, how wonderful, right? So one circle is drawn over another in different colors. Okay, this represents how light contains many colors. In Raman effect or Raman's experiments, when light interacted with materials, its color changed slightly. And today we are representing that idea using coding. So kids, what happens if we change this 100 to 150? Yes, what will happen? Let's try it. Oh, you can see the circle is bigger. Okay, now what happens if we change the speed to 1? Let's see. Look at that, it is slowly creating a circle. The speed of drawing has been reduced to 1. And what if we remove some colors? Okay, so let's see if we remove red color from this and try this. Okay, so we don't start with the red, we start with orange now. Okay, so you have to keep experimenting with the code, try changing, try adding new colors, try changing the width, try changing the speed. So that is the most important thing. Okay, so in coding you have the liberty to change whatever you want in code. Today you have learned about C.V. Raman, about the Raman effect, that light is made up of many colors, and how to use loops in Python. Science plus coding is a powerful combination. If C.V. Raman could discover something amazing by being curious, you can too. Keep coding, keep exploring, keep asking questions. Happy Science Day, my future scientists.